and it's Celsius to Fahrenheit converter. The formula is here, so we will receive the Celsius from the user. The Celsius is this letter, and here we have the formula and we convert it to Fahrenheit. You can try that alone if you want, and try to practice. So I will start. I will print like Celsius to Fahrenheit converter. Okay, something like this. So now we need Celsius from the user. So again, input, give us back a string. So I need to convert it, right? Because it has to be number. So int or float. It's up to you. I will use, for example, int, because I will suppose that Celsius will be a whole number, but it doesn't have to be. It's up to you. And we will write temperature in Celsius. Okay, perfect. I will check it if everything is okay. Usually check it after 1 to 3 lines. Okay, so temperature in Celsius. Okay, 20. Okay, no errors. Perfect. Now we need, or we can use the formula Fahrenheit. Oh my god, that's a word. Fahrenheit. Okay, the formula is here, so this means Celsius. Okay, so I will write Celsius multiply by 9/5 or divide by 5 plus 32. We can print it. We will see. I hope there will be no errors. So for example 20. Okay, it's 68. Okay, no errors. So I hope everything is okay. And we will print it in some good way, like in a string, temperature in Fahrenheit, something like this. And again, we can use round method, round function. So Fahrenheit, and I will put here 2 decimal number. Okay, so let's go. 20. Okay, temperature in Fahrenheit 68. If I will put there, for example, 32, it's 89.6, and so on and so on. Great, I think it works fine.